Today I will discuss the stoichiometry and stoichiometry calculation. A chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical chain. The substance in which the chemical change is brought are called reactants. On the other hand, the substance in which come into existence after the chemical reaction, after the chemical change, are called the products. The relationship between them, that is in reactant and product, is represented in the form of chemical equation. The symbols or formula of the reactants are written on the left hand side of the reaction arrow. On the other hand, the product formula of the product, that is symbol of the product, products, is written in right hand side of the reaction arrow. Suppose a chemical equation KClO3 when heated it will become KCl plus O2. When this equation is balanced, 2KClO3 2KCl plus 3O2. Now it is the chemically balanced equation. These are the chemical equations. Informations obtained from a chemical equation may be obtained by considering a particular chemical equation. A balanced chemical equation provided some chemical informations which may be as a chemical equation says what are the reactants and product involved in the chemical change. For example, in this chemical equation, KClO3 is the substance in which chemical reaction takes place, that is chemical change takes place to form KCl and potassium chloride KCl and dioxygen O2. The relative number of molecules of the reactant and products are also obtained from the chemical equation. For example, the relative number of reactants and products in this equation is 2 molecules of KClO3, 2 molecules of potassium chloride, and 3 molecules of dioxygen. Further, the relative number of parts of the mass of reactants and products are also obtained by the chemically balanced equation. Further, for example, the relative number of moles of the reacting species or products may be obtained by a chemically balanced equation. For example, for this equation we can say that 2 moles of KClO3 when heated we will get 2 moles of KCl and 3 moles of O2. As mole of the substance is known, so the volume of the gas, mass of the reactants and product are also obtained by the chemically balanced equation. For example, CH4 reacts with 1 mole of CH4 reacts with 2 moles of O2 to form 1 mole of CO2 and 2 mole of water vapor. In this equation we can say 1 mole of methane and 2 mole of dioxygen react with each other. That is 1 mole of reactant methane reacts with 2 mole of reactant reagent dioxygen to form 1 mole of the CO2 product which is in gaseous state and 2 mole of water vapor which is also in gaseous state. It is the chemical equation stated in the form of mole. Now since 1 mole of methane participate in the chemical reaction, so we can say 1 mole of CH4 will be equal to 12 plus 1 into 4, that is 16 gram of CH4 reacts with 2 into 16 into 2, 2, that is 2 into 32, that is 264, 64 gram. As 1 mole of methane reacts with 2 mole of dioxygen, so we can say 16 gram of CS4 reacts with 64 gram of dioxygen. Now, in terms of product, we can say 1 mole of CO2, that is 1 mole of CO2 may be stated in the form of mass. So carbon mass of carbon is 12 plus mass of oxygen is 16 into 2, that is 44 gram. So 44 gram of 1 mole of carbon dioxide will be equal to the 44 gram, and 2 mole of water, that is 1 into 2 plus 16 gram, that is 18 gram. Now we can say in this reaction 44 gram of carbon dioxide and 18 gram of 18 into 2, that is 36. 44, 1 mole of carbon dioxide, that is 44 gram of carbon dioxide. 2 mole of water vapor, that is 36 gram of water vapor will evolve. Now this chemical equation, this chemical reaction may be stated in terms of molar mass of the reactant and products are the 1 mole of CS4, that is 16 gram of CS4 reacts with 2 mole of dioxygen, that is 64 gram of dioxygen, to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide, that is 44 gram of carbon dioxide, and 2 moles of water vapor, that is 36 gram of water vapor. Since in this reaction all the chemical species are in gaseous state, so the chemical equation, that is chemical reaction, may be stated in terms of the molar volume. 1 mole of gas occupy 22.4 liter volume at their STP. So 1 mole of CH4 means 22.4 liter of CH4 combines with 2 mole of O2, 2 mole of the dioxygen gas, that is 2 into 22.4 liter of the CH4, that is 22 to the 44.8 liter volume of dioxygen to evolve 22.4 liter of the CO2 gas, and 44, that is 2 into 22.4 is equal to 44.8 liter water vapor. Now this chemical equation may be stated in terms of mole, in terms of molar mass, in terms of molar volume. Now conclusively we can say a chemical equation says that 1 mole of CH4, that is 16 gram of CH4 or 24 liter volume of CH4 combines with 2 mole of dioxygen, that is 64 gram of dioxygen or 44.8 liter of dioxygen to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide, that is 44 gram of carbon dioxide or 22.4 liter of carbon dioxide, and 2 mole of water vapor, that is 36 gram of water vapor or 44.8 liter of water vapor. It is the stoichiometric and stoichiometric calculation which will enable us to calculate the chemical equation, calculate the stoichiometric calculations by using a chemical equation. Thank you.